Assalamu alaikum. Hi, welcome to Umar Farooq Biologist. In this video, we talk about the spinal cord. What is spinal cord? The spinal cord is a long cylinder of nerve tissues that extends from the brainstem. We can say that the spinal cord is the extension of the brain. And the spinal cord, some invertebrates have segmental ganglia, and the spinal cord also inherent these characteristics of segmentation from the invertebrates which have segmented ganglia. The spinal cord also divided into segments. Next, we talk about the dimensions of spinal cord. In humans, it is 45 centimeter long, that is equal to 18 inches, and it is 2 centimeter in diameter. It is equal to just our thumb. This is 2 centimeter in diameter. And the spinal cord exits through a large hole from the base of skull, and this large hole through which the spinal cord exits the skull is called foramen magnum. Foramen magnum. This is the large hole in the skull through which the spinal cord exits, and it runs through the vertebral canal which is present inside the vertebral column, and vertebral column protects the spinal cord, and spinal cord is also protected by the meninges, dura mater, pia mater, and arachnoid mater. Paired spinal nerves emerge from the spinal cord and emerge from the spaces between the bony wing-like arches of adjacent vertebra. The spinal nerves which are in pair, these emerge from the spaces between the bony wing-like arches of adjacent vertebra. These are wing-like arches, and the spinal nerves emerge from these wing-like arches between the vertebra. Spinal nerves are named according to region of the vertebral column from where they emerge. Spinal nerves are named after the region of vertebral column from where they emerge, and the spinal cord or the vertebral column is divided into the following regions. The region of spinal cord in which it is divided is cervical cord, the vertebral column present in neck region, and so the nerves which are arising from this region are called cervical nerves. Then there is thoracic cord, the chest region, and thoracic nerves. Then it is abdominal region, lumbar cord, and the nerves are called lumbar nerves. And then pelvic region, sacral cord, and the nerves in this region are called sacral nerves and coccygeal nerve. Let us talk about the number of nerves which originate from spinal cord from different regions. 8 pair of cervical nerves, cervical refers to neck. 12 pairs of thoracic nerve, and thoracic refers to chest region, and 5 lumbar nerves, abdominal region, 5 sacral nerves, pelvic region, and 1 coccygeal nerve, the lower region, then pelvic region. These are the number of nerves arise from different regions of the vertebral column, and they are named after the region from where they emerge. Now we discuss a term chorda equina, which means horse tail. This term is related to nerves. The nerves present at the end lower region of the vertebral canal are long and elongated nerves, elongated nerve roots. and due to their appearance like horsetail, they are termed as chorda equina. It is because the lower region nerves are elongated because the spinal cord and its lumbar region at the point of lumbar vertebra 1 or lumbar vertebra 2. So these nerves are elongated from this region, and this takes a shape of like this I have drawn, and all these lower nerves make a shape like horsetail, and that is why they are called as chorda equina. Let us have more explanation than from a diagram. This is the lumbar region, L1 or L2, the spinal cord, and at this point, the spinal cord is now continuous to the whole of the vertebral column. From this region, the nerves are, you can see, are elongated and takes the shape of a just like horsetail. So this region nerves are called chorda equina. Lumbar nerves, sacral nerves, and coccygeal nerve. These are the lower vertebral column. Lower vertebral column region, and in this region the nerves take the shape of a horsetail and they are elongated. Thank you for watching, and I will meet you in the next lecture. I hope this will be helpful for you. If you found helpful, comment below in the comment section. Like and share. Allah Hafiz.